Hello.
Hello everyone,
Hi.
nice to see you here. We wanted to invite you to our new event about
Love.
new energy relationships. Yes, it's a big topic we would like to talk about. We've experienced our journey in our relationships. It took us over 15 years or something like that.
Yes.
We have so many stories to share. It was, some of them, it was a big trauma, but now it's funny. We can laugh and share it easily.
Yeah, now it's easy for us.
Yes.
So we want to share with you about our beautiful story of self-love and love with souvenir masters, between souvenir masters. Because it's so important for people who want to stay here on this planet.
You know, when you are sovereign master, you can be alone. That's okay. This is mastery. At the first moment, you have to be okay with yourself. You have to love yourself, and then there is a potential that you can share your love with others, in relationship or with other people. It doesn't matter, but yes, going through awakening and realization together with another master and being, it's challenging. It's beautiful, but also double trouble.
And this is so clear relationship like never before. And we want to talk about everything, about bad happens, about nice things, and about sex, of course, because
It's nice.
yes, but
Yeah.
it was a really beautiful
Transformation journey, to going through the old patterns of relationships, of marriage, of being a wife, husband, mother, father. We had to let go everything of it and set a new standard, set new route for others, for us, and yes, Adamus and Tobias told about future potentials of new energy relationships, but it's now.
We are here.
We are here.
And we are doing that. Really.
We listened to some materials and we realized, okay, we are here. We are at this moment, and it's really beautiful potential for everyone. But at the beginning, for a long time, I was completely alone, without any relationships with any woman, and it took me a lot of time with myself only to be in any relationship. So yes, it's a 15 years of story of love not only between us but with ourselves. Yes, that it was the reflection of our relationship is a long story of loving myself. Yes. Before our first event, I painted this blue painting.
I don't think this.
I don't. Okay, we show it later. But the second painting I painted, the day was about love, and there is a heart visible. But I saw this heart the next day. I painted this, so it was just a sign that it's a continuation. On our first gathering, we remembered who we are, we reconnected with ourselves, We went through many challenges while we closed ourselves, and at the end we started talking about our relationship with Ania.
And it was so deep and so beautiful and so much energy that I felt, yes. So we want to share.
We want to continue, and we want to share with you this whole story.
So if you feel that, please join us, and thank you for your time.
Yes.
Namaste.
Thank you. See you soon.